Hi there. Welcome to Sterlinx Global. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the specialists in Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in traditional business and e-commerce. For our discussion today, we will talk about management accounting for Amazon or e-commerce-based business. What is management accounting? Before we move into the benefits of e-commerce management accounting, let's first understand what it is. Management accounting is collecting, analyzing, and interpreting financial data to assist business owners and managers in making strategic decisions. Unlike financial accounting, which focuses on reporting historical data for external stakeholders, management accounting is forward-looking and aims to provide relevant and timely information for internal decision-making. So now, let's talk about how can e-commerce management accounting help your Amazon or online business? Listed below are the benefits of having a proper e-commerce management accounting for your Amazon or any other online business. Accurate costing for product pricing. One of the critical aspects of running a successful online business is pricing your products competitively. E-commerce management accounting can help you accurately determine the cost of producing or acquiring your products, including direct costs such as materials and labor, as well as indirect costs such as overhead expenses. This information can empower you to set prices that ensure a healthy profit margin while remaining competitive in the market. Budgeting and financial planning. Effective budgeting and financial planning are essential for any business, including Amazon or online businesses. E-commerce management accounting can provide you with the tools and techniques to create realistic budgets, set financial goals, and monitor your actual performance against those goals. This can help you identify areas where you may be overspending, adjust your spending patterns, and make more informed decisions to achieve your financial objectives. Performance measurement and analysis. Monitoring and evaluating your business performance is crucial for identifying areas of improvement and maximizing profits. E-commerce management accounting can provide you with various performance measurement techniques such as key performance indicators or KPIs, variance analysis, and trend analysis to assess how well your business is performing. By analyzing this data, you can identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to your business and take corrective actions accordingly. Are we good so far? We still have 4 more to go, so keep watching. Inventory management. Inventory management is critical in running an online business. Overstocking or understocking can result in lost sales or excess holding costs, which can directly impact your profits. E-commerce management accounting can help you optimize your inventory levels by providing you with data on inventory turnover rates, carrying costs, and reorder points. This can help you make informed decisions about when to reorder, how much to order, and how to manage your inventory effectively to maximize profits. Cash flow management. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business, especially online businesses where cash from a sale is usually received at a later date. Therefore, proper cash flow management is essential to ensure smooth operations and avoid liquidity issues. E-commerce management accounting can provide you with tools to forecast your cash inflows and outflows, track your cash flow patterns, and identify potential cash flow gaps. This can assist you in taking proactive measures such as managing your payables and receivables effectively, securing financing, and optimizing your cash flow to avoid any disruptions to your business operations. Decision support. As the e-commerce industry aggressively develops, your decision as an online business owner need to be made quickly and accurately. Management accounting can provide you with the necessary financial information and analysis to support your decision-making process. Whether it's evaluating new investment opportunities, assessing the profitability of different products or sales channels, or deciding on the most cost-effective shipping options, E-commerce management accounting can provide you with the data and insights you need. Business strategy and growth planning. As an online business owner, you need to have a long-term vision and plan for growth. Management accounting can assist you in developing and implementing your business strategy by providing you with financial data and analysis to evaluate different growth opportunities. This can include assessing the profitability of expanding into new markets, launching new products, or optimizing your pricing and promotional strategies. That's a lot, isn't it? With the right financial information and analysis at your fingertips, through e-commerce management accounting, you can confidently solve different challenges and seize opportunities by making strategic decisions that drive your business to the top. We are so close to ending our video for today, but first let us answer some of your frequently asked questions about e-commerce management accounting. Number 1. How can I implement e-commerce management accounting practices in my business? Implementing e-commerce management accounting practices in your Amazon or other online business involves setting up an effective accounting system, capturing relevant financial data, analyzing and interpreting the data, and using it for your decision-making and planning processes. Consider hiring a qualified accountant or utilizing accounting software to streamline your financial management practices. Number 2. Is e-commerce management accounting relevant for small-scale businesses as well? Yes, e-commerce management accounting is relevant for businesses of all sizes, including small-scale Amazon or e-commerce businesses. It provides financial insights and decision-making support that can be valuable for optimizing pricing, managing costs, inventory, cash flow, and planning for growth, regardless of the scale of your business. Number 3. What are some common challenges in implementing e-commerce management accounting in my business? Some common challenges in implementing management accounting in Amazon or online businesses include obtaining accurate and reliable financial data, aligning financial data with business objectives, ensuring data integrity and security, identifying relevant key performance indicators or KPIs, and integrating management accounting processes into the day-to-day operations of the business. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned how management accounting could be beneficial for your e-commerce business. For more professional advice on your tax accounting needs, consult us by visiting the Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy our content and want to explore more about similar topics, please like and subscribe to our channel. To stay updated, why don't you have a look at our other social media platforms? The links are in the description below. Once again, I'm Jay from Sterlinx Global, and I will see you in the next video.